everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm on board on the 2018 Indian Scout Bobber. I've got my friend Ash in front with his CBR 1000RR, and we are heading to Kemble tonight. So they do a big meet in that area at a pub called the Tavern Inn, and we're just heading to a petrol station to meet up with some other people, and I have no idea how many people is going to be there because it's my second time going to one of these bike meets. But once we've met these guys, we're going to head to Leeks in a town called Melksham, and then there should be probably about 30 plus bikes there, I would imagine, as well. And then we make our way to the pub in Kemble. So I'm not going to record the entire trip because there's just loads of like straight roads and stuff. Don't want to bore you to absolute death. So I'll keep skipping as much as I can, and what I'll do is I'll just keep putting different clips of the journey on the way. And then when we get there, I'll get my other camera out and we'll see what bikes we have at the other end. Right, okay, so Leeks car park is coming up. If there's no bikes in that car park, then we've already missed them. We are 9 minutes late, so I'm not sure how long they hang around for. If we've missed them, then we'll just make our way to Kemble. But yeah, I'll do some videoing and we'll still see what bikes did turn up. It is definitely going to be a huge turnout. Oh, I can see, no, I can see bikes. Ah, over there. Huge turnout, as you can see. A lot of bikes. Nice, isn't it? Again, hopefully you can hear everything okay, see everything okay, so yeah, because I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Oh no, someone's dropped their bike. Hope they're okay. Oh no. I think they're okay. By the look of that bike, I'm not sure if it's rideable or if it's just fairing damage, but I'm not sure that I want to risk riding that after that. Doesn't look good, but at least the rider's okay. He is up on his feet. Well, that was a bit unexpected. Like I said, I think the guy is okay. They're just moving his bike out of the way of the road. It's such a shame when things like this happen, because at the end of the day, that's someone's pride and joy, and they've got a family to go home to. So yeah, I hope they're okay and there's no injuries or whatever. Kemble. Officially in Kemble, and to my left you can see Kemble airfield. Oh my god, oh. Oh my god, oh. Hope he's okay. I think he just misjudged the bend and the speed.
Yeah, I think he was.
Quickly have a look, make sure he's alright. This is not good, is it? That's 2 crashes in one evening. What's going on? I hope he's alright.
Alright. Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I'm wake up, go dumb. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'm put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. You do you, I do me. I'ma take this overseas. I'ma do this for my seeds. Wipe your hair and bling bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard add it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster.